Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on activity on your comments on Reddit. We will go to turn on this is Mark or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. You will just go up here and this is picture here and you will click. Then this is window show for you like you say. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window. Then you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to a notifications window here in this window. Then you just come here to activity on your comments. You will click here on this is mark. And like you see, this is colored show for you. That's mean activity on your comments. Now it's turned on. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like it subscribe. It's see you in next video.